الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. So we are going to our first session for the last day of this week. Yesterday we have discussed about the status of nouns, and that was that status of ism can be marfu, can be mansub, can be majroor. Ashar bhai, can you please just summarize the yesterday lecture?
Assalamu
Walaikum assalam.
alaikum. Yesterday we learned about the status of ism. So it could be marfu, mansoob, and majroor or majroor. And there are some conditions for marfu. Number one is when the file is outside doer, so it should be marfu. For example, if khalaq Allahu, so khalaq is the verb and Allahu is the file,
Yeah,
or like outside doer for khalaqa.
yeah. And also it's mean all the file, all the subject,
All the file. Hmm.
they will be
All
more.
the file.
Yeah,
Okay. All the file are marfu, and then number two is naibul file. So when the verb is passive voice, so it's outside doer is naibul file, and it should be marfu.
okay.
And number third is in Jumla Ismiya when Mubtada and Khabar is in the sentence, then should be marfu.
Yeah,
Both
when
should be
jumla
marfu.
ismiya, both khabar and mubtada.
And Mubtada should be marfu.
Yeah,
And Kana is ism of Kana should be marfu. Like
okay,
Kana Nasu, Nasu should be marfu.
okay.
And Mudaf, in the Mudaf like the default status of Mudaf is marfu. And all the detached pronouns are also marfu.
Okay. What about
And
mansub?
mansoob, there are some conditions like the mafa'il, all the mafa'il should be mansoob.
Yeah,
And if any nawasibul ism comes before ism, so then the ism becomes mansoob.
yeah,
And if the khabar of kana and its sisters are all should be mansoob.
yeah.
And mudaf after hurfun nida, like in the mudaf, okay, after hurfun nida, the mudaf should be marfu.
Should be.
Well, mansoob, sorry, should be mansoob.
Basically, this harfun nida, they are
Yeah,
making the ism mansub.
yeah, okay. So hurfun nida makes ism marfu, mansoob.
Mansub.
Yeah. And in negative sentence, jumla ismiya, khabar becomes mansoob because of ma and laisa. When
Yeah,
ma and laisa comes, the khabar become mansoob.
khabar. They make the khabar mansub
Mansoob.
in negative sense.
And yes, and when we use la nafiyatul lil jins, then after that the ism should be marfu, mansoob. Sorry.
Yeah,
And all the attached pronoun are all mansoob.
all the
All the attached pronoun to the verb, especially all the
yeah,
attached pronoun to the, if the pronoun attached to the verb, that pronoun should be mansoob.
yeah, because these pronouns they are attached to verb, but actually they are what?
They are maf'ul.
They are maful. That's why this is the
That,
another. Yeah, but
yes.
here they are exclusively described here that this can be like this. All the
Yeah.
attachment. Yes.
And then majroor, there are two conditions. First one is when the huruf jar comes before
Ism.
ism, so then the ism becomes majroor.
Yeah.
In the mudaf ilay always majroor.
And what about this?
And when the pronoun attached to the ism,
Hmm.
then the pronoun it should be majroor because this is mudaf ilay
Yeah,
also
this is mudaf ilayhi, and mudaf ilayhi will always be majrur.
always be majroor.
But just for more explanation in this, to remember this pronoun attached to verb and pronoun attached to ism there. But actually, this belongs to this maf'ul and this belongs to mudaf ilayh. So in majroor, there are only before ism there is haruf jar, then that is majroor, and mudaf ilayh is also majroor, and this is also belongs to this. Yeah, very nice. So just let's see some examples. Uh, Abdul Razak bhai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Abdul Razak bhai, can you please just say this?
Khalquna.
Khalquna, yeah. So just I am just asking what will be the status of this na here, and similarly khalaqana, what will be the status of this na? The rule is, you can see the rule from the previous slide, and then you can answer.
It's mansoob.
Okay, so here this will be what?
Mansoob.
So let's see this. What is this khalqu?
Subject.
Is it ism or fi'l?
Yeah, fi'l with the inside words.
This is first we have to define that it is ism or fail. If it is fail, then there will be inside door. If it is ism, then ism have no inside door, or that is just a ism. So first we have to see that is it ism, khalqu.
Khalqu is.
Yesterday we also discussed there is
verb.
khalaqa, yakhluqu, khalq.
It's verb. So,
Is none. Is it?
Okay, let's see that how it comes verb, where it fit in the table. The starting word, brother Abdul Razak, it is khalaqa. Khalaqa means he created. You know this madi, a whole the column of madi, that is fail. Then we come to mudare, yakhluqu. That is also yakhluqu, yakhluquna, takhluqu, and all nakhluqu. All this is fail mudare. Fail madi, fail mudare. Both are fail verb. Then we come to amr. The table is in your mind, is it?
yeah.
Yeah. Amr and nahi, they are also fi'l. So we have fi'l madi column, fi'l mudare column, and then fi'l amr, fi'l nahi. So then we have started fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar. They are fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar. They are ism.
Okay.
And this khalqu, basically this is not fi'l. This is masdar. Khalaqa, yakhluqu, khalq. And khalqu, this is masdar. So it's mean it is ism. And na is attached pronoun. Who, whom, ka, kum, e, na. So this is what we just discussed here. A pronoun attached to ism, it will be
Okay, majroor.
majroor. So see here, whom, who, these are, we are talking about this. If ism is coming, so kitab, we know that it is ism. Ism, these all are ism, but also fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar, they are also ism. So it is attached to ism. So na will be what? Majroor. Second thing, khalquna means our creation. This is mudaf, mudaf ilayh. And na in mudaf, mudaf ilayh, na is also mudaf ilayh is majroor. So this is. Now come here, brother Abdul Razak. Khalaqa.
Khalaqana.
Now what about khalaqa? Is it ism or verb?
It's a verb.
Verb, khalaqa, it is a starting word, man. So verb, now attached pronoun is attached with this. So we go back to the rule, a pronoun attached to verb.
Okay, so
This is na. So na will be what?
mansoob.
Mansoob. So this is very important. This is na, this is na. Because this is khalaqana. This is, he created what? He created us. It means this is also maf'ul.
Okay.
So if these, that's why they are described separately, that if attached pronoun, who, whom, na, ka, kum, e, na, they attach with fi'l, verb, then it will be mansub because it is maf'ul. And if it is attached with ism, that is mudaf, mudaf ilayh, and na will be here majroor, and here it is mansub. Okay. Thank you, Razak bhai.
Brother, can I have one comment?
Yes, please.
Because maybe the people's confusing with the khalqu, because the mudaf default status is marfu, that is khalqu.
Yeah, that is there, but we have to first read there that what is it masdar or not.
Khalaqa is we know
Yeah,
fail,
yeah.
but
Khalaqa is
khalqu
khalqu is
khalqu is
masdar.
the
Yeah, you're right.
default status.
Yeah. Okay, Naimba, you can explain this one.
Which one? وَيَنْقَلِبُ إِلَى أَهْلِهِ مَسْرُورًا.
Okay. What
And
about masrura?
masrura is this is mansub,
Mansub, because this is
and because this is a
maf'ul.
maf'ul. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Maf'ul hal. He returned to his family.
his family happily.
So this is mansub. All maf'ul, as we discussed before, all maf'ul, they are mansub. What about this ilah, effect of ilah?
Ila make ahli is jar majroor, because ahli is ism, is make ahli, otherwise ahlu. Default status will be ahluhu, ahluhu,
Yeah, you are right.
ahluhu.
Thank you.
Is it?
Azhar bhai.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी
Walaikum assalam. Azhar bhai, just
अ,
first read this ayah.
अ, कुतिबा अलैकुमुस
Siyam.
सयाम
What about kutiba? It is
कुतिबा अलैकुम
passivized, is it?
yeah it is passive voice yeah
So what about what will be the state? What is naibul file? If there is passivized, then there must be a naibul file.
naibul file is sayam
Siyam. So because this, so what is the status of this naibul file?
marfu
Marfu. Thank you. What about here? Innakum. Kum. What is will be the status of kum?
this is in
We also discussed
it should be
yesterday and also in the second session even this innakum. What about inna? What is inna?
inna is a special word is a
Yeah, inna, anna,
like
kana, lakinna, layta, la'alla. They are
it if it comes before ism and there is what
okay. They are ism. Inna, anna. They are special type of ism. Inna, anna, kana, lakinna, layta, la'alla. These are nawasibul ism. So,
so
they,
this
what
is a
they do?
majrur
See here. Yesterday,
make ism majrur
nawasibul ism. What they make after that, whatever come, that will be
ism
mansub.
mansub
That will be mansub. Inna, anna, kanna, like kanna, lakinna, layta, la'alla. So the status of kum will be mansub because of inna.
okay inna is a ism
Nawasibul ism. Yeah, they are
is a
ism.
nawasibul ism it's not a ism itself
They are ism. Why we say nawasibul ism? Because they give.
if it's go
They are-
itself the ism then
Yeah, they give. They make the thing mansub.
the reason
Whatever comes
actually
after that, they make them.
this page when you say brother this page when you say the majroor one ism and attached pronoun
Yeah.
these are majroor so if it is ism so then is a majroor no
These
Inna-
are ism. Yeah, that is ism masdar. That
no
is
no I know I
that-
understand this one I'm just talking about innakum
Yeah, inna, just inna. They are special type of ism. Inna, anna, kainna, lakinna, layta, la'alla. They are basically operator.
operator what's up
What they do, they make the ism nasab.
Can I make a comment?
Yeah, please.
Words in Arabic division are there are three divisions of words in Arabic: fi'l, ism, and preposition,
Harf.
and harf.
Yeah.
So here n is s or none, but because as you brother Akhtar said makes the second the following word mansub is called nawasib al ism.
Yeah. So we say these special words inna, anna, kanna, lakinna, layta, la'alla. They are nawasibul ism. Similarly, we have jawazimul, jawazim, and many other. They have the names. Okay, brother Riza, what about this antum? What will be the status?
Antum?
Yeah.
Antum is attached pronouns. Attached pronouns
No,
always.
this is not attached. These are huwa, hum,
Oh,
anta,
oh,
antum,
yes.
ana, nahnu. They are
This is they are all mansub.
attached or detached.
This is detached.
Yeah, they are detached. So what?
Detached is a
So our
file
detached
and it should be marfu.
mansub. Yeah. Yesterday we all they will be all detached pronoun. Huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. They will be
Marfu.
marf. Okay. Thank you. Brother Javed Rasul.
बिस्मिल्लाह रहमान
Yeah.
ला राइबा फी है
Yeah.
because of law this will be
Mansubs. Yeah.
mansoob.
Yeah. What type of this la is? This is called la nafiyatul jins.
La nafiyat al-jins, yes.
Yeah, yesterday we said that one la nafiyatul jins, if there is la and if it is making it is making raiba mansub. So there is absolutely no doubt in it. So this is mansub. So la nafiyatul jins is also basically it is making mansub.
Right.
Yeah. Next one is Baytullahi. Safi.
Yes.
Baytullahi. What is this grammatically?
It's mudaf ilayh.
Yeah. What is the status of mudaf?
Says mudaf is marfu.
Yeah. And what about mudaf ilayhi? What is mudaf ilayhi here?
Mudaf ilayh is Allah.
And what will be the status of mudaf ilayhi?
Majroor.
Majroor. Okay, thank you. Okay, brother Iqbal Shahid. Shahid bhai, what will be the status of this mu'minun? Is it marfu, majroor or mansub?
This is majroor because of these harf-e-jar.
B is a rufijar and it is making. So what is the marfu form of mu'minin?
Mu'minun.
Mu'minun. Yeah. Jazakallah khair. So this is all about this, and then we will discuss one day. Actually, we are, as Brother Riza pointed out, about one is fail. From this lecture, one thing is pointed out about we discussed about fail in table. We discussed a lot about ism, and third thing is harf. Next week, hopefully, we will have the complete table of these harf. So these are the I think I said these are special harf like nawasibul ism, inna, anna, kanna, layta, la'alla. Similarly, haruf jar, and all these they are basically special type of haruf. So we will just display one day all the harf, because we discuss a lot about ism, we discussed a lot about fail, and then we will discuss this about harf. We know all the haruf, but they will be in the table, and then we will more clarified about it. So today we have next thing asma'ul mawsula, the connected nouns. They are used a lot in Quran. They are just, if this everybody know about them, allazina, alladhi, allati, allatani, allataini, allati, allai. So these are Ismaul Masula. But before that, let us go to this terminology, Asmaul Masula. Brother Naeem, you are expert in these things.
Maybe.
Let us first see that Masula. If I ask you why it is feminine Masula,
Because asma is a broken plural.
Asma is broken plural. So this is Mausula. What is the masculine form of Mausula?
Masula.
This is feminine form. What will be the masculine?
Masul.
Mausul. Yeah. If it is Mausul, because they are connected noun. Let us see the first. What is the root word for this Mausula?
Wasala.
Wasala.
Wasala yasilu.
Yasilu. Wajada yajidu. Wasala means he joined.
Joined.
And yes, on what is the fa'il?
Wasil,
Wasil meaning
the one who
the
connect.
one who join, the one who connect. What is the maf'ul of wasil?
Mausul,
Mausul mean
and the thing that is
that
connected.
is joined, and mausula the thing which is joined. So we are talking about what? All the
Asma,
names which are
connected, joining.
joining. So we are going towards to study about joining nouns, connected nouns. So this is very important that sometime, because we have to go towards the terminology so that we can understand it easily. Mausula, wasil, mausul, mausula. Jazakallah khair, Naeem bhai, mashallah. So Asmaul Masula, they are used to connect the part of sentence to each other, and they are like singular allazi, the one who, and which. Feminine of allazi is allati. Dual alladhani, allazaini. Those two are which. And similarly, the feminine of allatani, allataini. Plural of alladhi is alladhina, those who, which. And feminine for alladhi is allazina is allati, allai. Most of the time the connecting noun they are used, they are alladhi, alladhina, allati. And sometime we will see this allati, allai, and this is dual. So these are basically asmaul masula, connected nouns. Like if we have this alladhina yu'minuna. So allazina is, this is, as we discussed, that this is isma mausul, mausul. Mausul, as brother Naeem already explained, that this is maf'ul of wasil, mausul. So this is mausul. And yu'minuna, this is silatul mausul. What about sila, brother Naeem?
Sila is a reward.
Yeah, sila is in that table. Is it fit somewhere in that? Wasil, mausul, and then
Sila, yes, masdar.
masdar. So it has sila masdar, wasul is also masdar, and wasal is also masdar.
Yeah.
So connection, connecting, silatul mausul, the thing which is connected with isma mausul. So alladhina yu'minuna, those who believe. So here allazina is isma mausul, yu'minuna is silatul mausul. So the thing which we have to remember, that these are connecting nouns, and they are allazi, allazina, allati, allati, allai. And dual of allazi is allazani, allazaini, allati, allatani, allataini. This is very important. So when there will be isme mausul, there must be silatul mausul. It is connecting the part in the sentence. Some things just we have to see, that basically these noun require a fragment, a sentence which is after them, that is called sila. So this is these are isma mausul, the thing which we need to connect it, which is connection, that is silatul mausul. All the silatul mausul, like allazi, it is marfu, mansub, majroor. Allazina, allazina, allazina. But dual is allazani and allazaini, allatani, allataini. Also there are man and ma, they are also connecting nouns. Man harrama, who forbade. So overall thing, we all know about these words, but they are called ismaul masula. At least we should know the terminology. Masula, they are connecting nouns. What are they? Alladhi, allazina. What is the feminine of allazi? Allati. And what is feminine of allazina? Allati, allai. Just these things we have to remember. And just let's see some of example where they are used. Shifa, can you please take this?
وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا and when they meet those who believe.
What is the allazina?
It's mausul.
And what is silatul mausul?
Amanu.
Amanu. So allazina is what?
اسم موصول
And amanu is what?
صلة الموصول.
Silatul Mausul. Is there Muhammad Farhan? Yes, Muhammad Farhan. Can you please take this ayah?
أعبد رب
Will it be A'budu or?
أعبد
Yeah, these are basically, we have to, this is from the first chapter, normally Zabar, Zair and Pesh, we have to. They are also, this is also Hamza Wasl. A'budu.
اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم.
Okay, the question is, because we have to focus on the topic where we are. What is Ism Mausul here? Is there any Ism Mausul here in this ayah?
الذي
Allazi, meaning?
the one who.
And what about any other?
الذين.
Allazina is what?
Those two.
Those who. So Allazina is plural of what?
الذي.
So what is feminine of Allazi?
التي.
Allati. And what is feminine of Allazina?
التي.
Allati.
التي.
Okay. Go ahead, just translate them.
اعبدوا
you all worship.
You all worship Rabbukum, your Lord, الذي, the one who خلقكم,
he created you all.
He created you all. And الذين, those who min from قبلكم, your
before you all.
Before you all.
So important thing, this Allazi and Allazina are what? They are called
Ismu
Mawsula. In English?
The connected noun.
Connected noun. They are basically connecting them. So khalaqakum is silatul mawsul, the thing which is connected. So this is ism, and what thing is connected? That is silatul mawsul. Similarly here, min qablikum. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, let's take another one. Ashar bhai, can you please just?
وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا النَّفْسَ الَّتِي حَرَّمَ اللَّهُ.
Okay, what is the isma mawsul here?
Isme mawsul is allati.
Allati, meaning?
Meaning it is feminine.
Yeah, and the one. Okay, translate it, please.
And
do not kill.
Not kill
the soul.
Do not kill soul. The one who. The one who Allah
forbade.
The
one again, and do not.
And do not kill nafs, do not kill soul. The one who Allah forbade.
Forbade, yes. Naeem bhai, can you please take this ayah to explain the plural?
Inna ummahatuhum illa illallai waladnahum.
Waladnahum, yes. What about isme mawsul here?
Isme Allahi.
What is this?
This is which one?
This Allahi is what?
There is a plural of Allati.
Plural of?
Allati.
Yeah, plural of Allati, meaning?
Like those who, like feminine, those who.
Those who. And what is the silatul mawsul here?
Waladnahum.
Waladnahum. Waladna.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, can you please translate?
Not their mothers accept those breastfeed.
Those who? No, this is not breast. Those who gave birth.
Oh, sorry. Those who give birth them.
Can we start from here? Their mothers.
Their mothers
are not
accept those who gave birth them.
Gave birth to them. Yeah. So in and illa, combination of in. That's why you use in. Thank you. Okay. Brother Qureshi, can you please do that? Ahsan Qureshi sahab.
Yes.
Yes, please.
أمهاتكم التي أرضعنكم. اللاتي أرضعنكم.
So what about this allati?
التي اسم الموصولة.
Yeah, which one? Is it
اسم
meaning?
أسماء
Yeah, Ismail Mosula. Is it
أسماء الموصولة.
allati or allati?
اللاتي.
What is the difference between allati and allati?
So there is a jazm actually, shad, right?
Allati means the one
It's
who.
a feminine. The
Feminine,
one who is.
the one who. And the feminine
Yeah, but-
plural, those who is
Plural.
allati.
Plural, exactly. Feminine, plural, yes.
Your mothers.
Your mother's the one who
This is
who
not one.
breastfeed. Those who breastfeed you all, huh?
Those who breastfed you all, yeah. Your mothers are those who breastfeed. And also we
Breastfeed.
discussed that man and ma are also Ismaul Masula. Can you please just let us take, thank you. Naveed bhai.
My father's not here right now.
Okay, you can take this.
من يطع الرسول فقد أطاع الله.
What about man here? Man is what?
Man is اسم موصول.
Ism Mawsul.
موصول.
Yeah, and similarly next is Wama Nazala.
وما نزل من الحق.
Wama Nazala min al-haqi. And also here is Ma is what?
ما is اسم موصول.
Wama Nazala min al-haqi. Can you please translate this?
و and ما
What?
نزل we sat down.
No, this is Nazala. Nazala. This is from level 1. Come down.
We come down
And what? Come down from?
from the truth.
Yeah. So thank you very much. So these all are about Ismaul Mausula. This is one of the easiest topic. Just we have to remember the names and just we should know the terminology, what is and meaning of those.
Brother Akhtar, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
When we say the connected nouns, it gives an impression that these are also nouns. Shouldn't it be noun connectors? Like to say that these are not nouns per se, but they connect to the nouns. So
Yeah, they connect. This we will discuss actually this about ism and harf and like this. That
I see. Okay.
Basically, they are connected nouns. They are connecting.
Yes, but they are not. Are they nouns? If they are nouns, then the connected nouns.
Actually, they are special types. We say them haruf actually. Allazi, allazina, and but we then say them. They are special type of noun. Like
Okay,
here,
okay.
allazina. We specifically explain that this is ism.
Right.
Ism Mawsul. But they are special one. That's why we give them. And
Okay.
similar. Okay, we have to actually go for second session.
Makes sense. Jazakallah khair.
Yeah.
Okay.